Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to export a chat on Telegram. So first you open the application either on your laptop or on your mobile, and then you can search here for the conversation that you want to export, or you can see it here of course. After you choose, you click on that and you will see 3 points on the top right corner. When you click, you will see a bunch of options. So this is not a normal chat, but in the normal chats you will see another option, export this chat. When you click on that, you can choose what do you want to export exactly, photos, messages, or what exactly. And after you select the wanted messages that you want them to be exported, you can confirm your choice, and then you will have your chat exported on your local device. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.